Good morning everyone. So today in our lecture we are going to proceed that we are going to find the sum of trigonometric series. Today we have simple series. Whenever there is an arithmetic trend in the angle of sine or cosine, we use these tricks. It is not trick, it is actually a method to calculate the formula. So to calculate this, we are assuming that cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x to cos nx. We are seeing that x, 2x, 3x to nx, there is an arithmetical trend in the angle of cos and sine. So the step 1. In step 1, we are going to take an identity that we know that e to the power ix is equals to cos x plus I sin x. So by using this identity, we are going to calculate the sum of these series. So let us proceed. So e to the power ix is equals to cos x plus I sin x. E to the power I 2x is equals to cos 2x plus I sin 2x. E to the power nx is equals to cos nx plus I sin nx. So we are adding all the equations we have formed. So in LHS, e to the power ix plus e to the power I2x plus e to the power I3x to e to the power I nx. And in LHS we are having cos x plus cos 2x plus cos nx plus I times sin x plus sin 2x plus sin ix. So in step 1 we have done this thing. Now to find this series, to find the sum of this series and to find the sum of this series, we have to solve LHS. So let us proceed to solve LHS. E to the power ix, e to the power 2ix, e to the power 3ix to e to the power n I n.
So let us solve this equation.
Step 2. In step 2 we are using the sum of the exponents by GP method. So sum of exponent by GP formula of sum is a plus ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus ar to the power n minus 1 Sn. So Sn is equals to a r to the power number of terms minus 1 divided by common ratio minus 1. It is the formula to find the sum of GP. Now let us apply this formula into the series we had find previously. The series was e to the power ix, e to the power 2ix plus e to the power 3ix to e to the power I nx. In this exponential series, a is equals to e to the power ix and r is equals to e to the power ix and number of terms are n. if we are applying the formula of Sn, then e to the power ix, e to the power ix to the power n, this is x, minus 1 divided by e to the power ix minus 1. So we are converting this so many exponential form into one exponent to compare the given equations for step 3. So let us take e to the power ix by 2 common from this and from this and this. In the next step it will become e to the power ix over e to the power ix by 2, e to the power ix by 2 minus e to the power minus ix by 2, and e to the power inx by 2, e to the power inx by 2 minus e to the power minus inx by 2. In the next step, we know this will cancel this, and e to the power inx by 2, e to the power ix by 2 into e to the power ix by 2, e to the power ix by 2 n plus 1. After this, we are going to expand this exponential terms to cancel the cos terms. So erase this. So expand this terms, cos x by 2 n plus 1, x by 2 n plus 1 plus I sin x by 2 n plus 1, and this cos I x by 2 plus I sin x by 2 minus cos I x by 2 minus I sin x by 2, and now the denominator cos I x by 2 plus I sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus I sin x by 2. So here cos cancel, cos cancel, and so let us write the remaining one. Cos x by 2 n plus 1 plus I sin x by 2 n plus 1. Here 2I sin x by 2 nx by 2, nx by 2, and in denominator 2I sin x by 2. 2I get cancelled, and the remaining thing should be right downward. Sin n x by 2 over sin x by 2 cos n plus 1 x by 2 plus I sin x by 2 n plus 1. So we have calculated the sum of exponential series. Now we are moving to step 3.
In which we are going to compare some things.
In step 3. In step 3 we are going to have comparison that cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x plus cos nx plus I sin x plus sin 2x plus dash 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 sin nx is equals to sin n x by 2 over sin x by 2 cos n plus 1 x by 2 plus I sin n plus 1 by 2 x. So if we are comparing real part of this this complex number with real and imaginary part with imaginary, we are going to get our answer that cos x plus cos 2x to cos nx is equals to sin n x by 2 over sin x by 2 into cos n plus 1 by 2 into x. And second thing, sin x plus sin 2x plus dash 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 sin nx is equals to sin n x by 2 over sin x by 2 into sin of n plus 1 by 2 into x. So whenever an AP appear in angle of trigonometry like sine and cos, we use this method to find the sum of these series. So based on this method, we have calculated some other formulas like if the series is sin A plus D plus. Similarly, when an AP appears in angle of sine and cosine, we use the same method to find the sum of the series like sin A plus sin A plus D plus sin A plus 2D plus sin A plus n minus 1D. The formula of the sum of the series will become sin n d by 2 over sin d by 2 into sin of a 2a plus n minus 1 d by 2. Similarly, when the series is in cos, then cos A plus D plus cos A plus 2D plus dash 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 cos A plus n minus 1D, then the formula will become cos n d sin n d by 2 over sin d by 2 into cos 2a plus n minus 1 d by 2. So this was all in today's lecture. We had find the sum of series of sine and cos. So we will try in our next lecture to have some numericals based on these series and whatever we had done in the last lecture. Thank you.